Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. This video will help you a lot. Please watch this video very carefully. You cannot say no in defense jobs. This is very important. The reason of making this video is people are not aware what exactly you have to follow in defense. Why you have to be disciplined in defense. So till the end you watch this video. This will be in English. It will be very useful for each and every person who is preparing for defense forces. So these are the few things you must know before joining into armed forces. Giving the leave as well as education facilities. Career growth in defense, how exactly it will be there. Leaking of service matters and health issues if I have in defense, whether you will be sent out of service or what exactly. This video will help you a lot. Initially, availing the leave. Let me tell you guys, you are going into the defense forces where you are going to serve the nation. The requirement of the department will be towards the requirement of the nation. So let me tell you, you have to be careful with your actions with the seniors. You can't disobey the seniors. If you want the leave, you can only put up with the genuine proof, as well as you have to be well in advance. You have to intimate your leave is as per the defense requirement, not your requirement. You have to intimate well in advance in order to affect other personnel, whoever is working with you. Let me tell you, you can't go leave without intimating the seniors. If you go, it will be treated as you will be abscond from the service. So you may be sent out of service also if you do those kind of illegal acts. Let me tell you, leave is a privilege for you. It is not a right. ये आपका privilege है, ये आपका हक नहीं है. Let me tell you, if you disobey with the seniors, if you argue with the seniors, if you are not dealing with the seniors properly, if you take your friends along with you and start taking the permission or whatever argument happens, that will be treated as mutiny. So that mutiny is something will be charged upon you. You will be taking indisciplinary cases upon you and you will be sent to cell also. Next we have education. It is difficult to pursue. It's very important. You must know, if you are serving in the defense, it's very difficult for your future growth. It is like people are interested in doing distance education or correspondence course with the various universities. You are not allowed to do all these except you are in a place where the place is of office nature and the peace time, and you are not here to do graduation in defense forces. You are here to serve the nation. If the nation's requirement is more, if you have been deployed into various places, you will be sent. It's not the place where you can do your graduation or your personal life increment. It can only be done wherever the facilities are available as well as the requirement is less. You cannot do any kind of regular course of graduation. Please remember, this is very important. Everybody has to go through their education, but it has to be as per the norms of defense. Encourage with the minimum service. You must have the minimum service of requirement of the defense. Then only you can do the graduation as per their. You must have finished service of whatever the service norms, 3 years, 4 years. Then only you can do whatever the requirements of the civil education. And the leave attending, that leave you can avail for the education or you can avail for your own benefit. That depends on you. It is not a right, sir, I have an exam so I want to go on leave. Plan accordingly. Pre-plan is essential. Be careful with your performance and behavior. It is very important. Whatever the behavior you deal with the seniors, you be with the seniors, you will be treated like that. If you screw them, they will screw you. So please be cordial with the seniors. Career growth and difficult life in civil services. Though you are in defense jobs, you are not allowed to join any kind of civil services except you can apply for UPSC jobs like IAS, IPS, and you can even apply for the combined defense service as well as assistant commandant type jobs, and it has to be an officer level only. You cannot go out of this. Defense jobs can only allow only higher posts, and the minimum service has to be mandatory for any kind of job if you want to join. Should be disciplined towards your actions. You can't fight against your seniors if you want to do any kind of graduation, and you have to take the permission as per the service norms and procedures. You have to take the permission if you want to do the graduation. You have to take the permission if you want to apply for civil education. It is very important to intimate the respective department. Prepare for SSB preparation. It is very important. You must know English. If you want to prepare for SSB, go for any kind of coaching or wherever you want. Practice communication skills and apply for officers level jobs. And health issues. This is very important. If you have any kind of health issues, you will be given some category and you will be sent to the office work. If you got injured, then you will be sent to the peace areas. If your situation is more severe and health condition is not suitable to the defense, you will be sent out of the service and you will be given with a pension of medical services background. So let me tell you, whatever the actions you do, whatever the work you do in defense, it has to be with the cautious as well as common sense. If you spoil your life, you are the loser. So Navy don't want the personnel who are injured. So let me tell you, this is actions with the common sense, which is very important. The health, whatever the health, while doing the service, here you are here to serve the nation, not for your personal benefit. Be careful. Everything will be given by the defense once you are out of the service post completing 15 years, whatever the stipulated period has been given. And let me tell you, you can't leak out the information. Whatever the information we have, you can't leak out the service matter, which is very important. That leaking of service matter or information leads you to send to the jail for a lifetime. Be careful. Once you are in defense, don't pass the information to the unauthorized personnel. You may lead to the threat to the nation. And you can't discuss service matters with the other civilian personnel, even your girlfriend as well, even your family as well. You can't discuss service matters. This is very important. What exactly to be done? Let me tell you guys, leaking of information is a national threat. So this is what my intention behind making this video. I want you guys to be more cautious and more reticent towards service. You can't leak any kind of matter related to service. So let me tell you, this is some type of training which is very important. You must know, because the people, you have to imbibe these qualities in you. You can't go against the rules and norms. So be careful. If you have any doubts, this is my mobile number. You can call me for more information. This video, whatever the 9 minutes of this video, will help you a lot. If you have any doubts regarding your service subject related or service concerning to the career growth, you can call me. Feel free to call my mobile number 766730 Let me tell you, language matters. If you speak properly, you will be sent for the higher posts. You will be sent for the different departments where you will be recognized. You will be sent for the secretariat level standard of works. So please remember, the whatever the service you are doing, that has to be genuine. You can't cheat the nation. If you are cheating your department, it means you are cheating the nation. So please be careful. This video will help you a lot, and share it to your friends and like this video. Have a look in playlist where you will find all the question papers for previous year, as well as if you want to prepare for any examinations. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.